So imagine you're about to make a video, and you envision a fantastical scenery of your characters being underneath the stars in the forest. So you hop to it, going through thousands of forests with starry night images for the background, but they're all so, dull, uninspiring and boring. Well, fear not, I, a seasoned editor, will show you how I transform a regular night sky into a beautiful fantasy. Welcome to Various Bunker, I'm An, and today I'm going to teach you how I make a starry night. Enter your editor, then select New Project and select a random image of a night sky. Next we're going to crop it. In my case, I need to crop this image, but I highly recommend adjusting the format and that you do that by cropping. Once it's cropped, we can move on to the next step. We're going to add effects to the image to make it sparkle. Video Glue has several little bit of glittery effects, but I'm going to use shimmer for this one. Next up, we're going to add overlays. So go to Pip and switch to materials. Here is like all the overlays you could use. I'm going to use this one right here. We are going to have to adjust it a bit. Go to like the button that says full right over there and tap on it. It will make the whole thing fitted to get an ideal look. The next overlay we're going to use is like a shooting star one right here. I'm pointing to it. We do the same process we did with the first overlay. Next we duplicate that specific overlay, and we're going to adjust and move around. Whatever placement you prefer, you put it there. Now I know not every editor has this function, but if you do have it, I highly recommend using it. Go tap on it, go to the search bar, search what you're looking for. They got stickers, GIFs, text, all that, and then you're just going to overlay onto the background. Select from grass, the flowers, anything. If you can find it, you can use it. You can layer as much as you want. This is where you let your creativity get wild. Go crazy, put as how much as you want, adjust it, you make it look the way you imagine it to look. Now so far this looks a little bit excessively bright, but we're gonna fix this with this simple trick. Go back to the search bar for stickers, type in a random color, and we're gonna overlay that on top. Then we're gonna go to adjust, and we're gonna mess with the ultimate C function a bit. Move it up and down to find the ideal shading. Now it's not so intense in color. I'm going to show you a side-by-side comparison. This is the current version, it's nice and dark, and here's the original version where it was so excessively bright. Once you're happy with what you made, we're going to export it, we're going to save it. You're going to have to pick the best experience if you can, and once it's saved, you can carry on and use that for your video. Now that you have your background made, it's beautiful, it's lovely, it's time to use it. I'm going to show you an example. This is one of my OCs that I green screen, more of a purple screened in, and I'm just going to adjust him around, move him. If you recognize him, then you know he's like a modern version of Hiccup from How to Train Your Dragon in the Mafia AU I made. This trick is a massive game changer. When I recently started doing that, it opened my eyes to what I'm capable of making, so make that beautiful background. Don't let anything stop you. You can do this trick of any editor really, but I use Video Guru, which is why I have all these functions. Now go make that video background and good luck. Stay sweet, cupcakes!